You want to know how to create an online course but feel overwhelmed by the technical setup and curriculum planning? Stick around. I'm going to show you a streamlined process to go from a simple idea to a ready-to-launch, highly interactive course. One of the biggest challenges when creating an online course is figuring out where to begin. Whether you're a creator, coach, business owner, or educator, planning an entire curriculum can easily become the most time-consuming part of the process. Horsebox AI approaches this differently by starting with an AI assistant that helps you build the structure before you even create the content. Here we're using AI chat to define the overall course idea, learning objectives, and target audience. Rather than starting from a blank page, you simply describe what you want to teach, and the AI begins building the foundation for you. This is especially useful if you're still refining your course concept or trying to organize your ideas into a logical learning journey. Once the initial information has been provided, the platform automatically generates a complete course outline. Instead of just suggesting a few lesson ideas, it creates a structured sequence of modules and topics that you can review before moving forward. From there, you're free to edit, rearrange, or expand anything so the curriculum fits exactly what you want to teach. As you can see, we've got everything there, all done and finished. And once the structure is in place, adding your own content is straightforward. Existing videos can be uploaded or embedded directly into the relevant modules, allowing you to build an entire course around content you've already created. You can also paste links to videos, and that means you don't have to start from scratch if you already have tutorials, webinars, or recorded lessons available. Another feature that immediately stands out is the AI avatar creator. Instead of recording yourself on camera for every lesson, you can generate a realistic AI presenter directly inside the platform. For creators who want a professional looking presenter without setting up cameras, lighting, or recording equipment, this can save a huge amount of production time. You can also select backgrounds, settings, everything to make that look like a professional presenter.
Customer service is all about how businesses interact with customers at every stage of their experience with a product or service. It's more than just being.
Then from here, you can continue enriching each lesson by adding supporting text, downloadable resources, quizzes, and interactive elements. Everything is managed from the same editing interface, making it easy to customize each module without jumping between different tools. The result is a course that feels much more engaging than simply uploading a collection of videos. One of the most interesting features is the ability to create AI-powered conversation scenarios. Instead of students passively watching lessons, they can actively practice real-world situations with an AI that adapts its responses based on the way they say. That creates a much more practical learning experience because learners are applying knowledge rather than simply reading about it. You can also introduce gamification elements like badges, certificates, and leaderboards. Features like these can help encourage students to keep progressing through the course while making the overall learning experience feel much more rewarding. Another powerful addition is branching scenarios. Rather than giving every learner exactly the same path, Horsebox AI allows different outcomes depending on the decisions they make. For example, a customer service representative could practice handling a difficult refund request, with the AI responding differently based on each answer they give. It's much more realistic way of preparing learners for situations they'll actually encounter in the real world. So once your course is complete, you have several different ways to deliver it. Creators, coaches, and solopreneurs can publish and sell courses directly to their audience, making it easy to turn existing knowledge into a professional online product. If you're creating training for businesses or organizations, you can also export your course as a SCORM. That allows corporate trainers and learning teams to plug the course directly into their existing learning management systems without rebuilding anything. And before publishing, everything can be reviewed inside the editing interface. You can update the wording, modify layouts, adjust learning content, and make sure the finished course reflects your own brand voice. The platform gives you the flexibility to change virtually every part of the course before it's published. And when you're ready to launch, CourseBox AI offers several different publishing options depending on your needs. You can publish directly, connect through the API, or use white label functionality. If you're building branded learning products for clients or your own business, that flexibility makes it suitable whether you're creating a single online course or building an entire learning platform. Ready to finally launch your online course? Click the link below to create your first course for free and see how intuitive the creation process can be. That's all for today's video. We hope you like it. If you did, click the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.